Platform as a service. Let's talk about platform as a service today. So what is meant by PaaS or platform as a service? So PaaS offers the runtime environment for application. It also offers development and deployment tools required to develop applications. PaaS has the feature of point and click tools that enable non-developers to create web applications. Disadvantage of using PaaS is that the developer lock in with a particular vendor. For example, an application written in Python against API of Google and using App Engine of Google is likely to work only in that environment. So what are the advantages of PaaS? So first is low administrative overhead. Second is low total cost of ownership. Third is more current system software. And fourth is scalable solutions. So let's explain PaaS in with different terms and terminologies. First is with programming languages. PaaS provider provides various programming languages for the developers to develop the application. Some popular programming language provided by PaaS provider are Java, Ruby, Perl, Python, and Go. In terms of application frameworks, provider provides application framework to easily understand the application development. Some popular application framework provided by PaaS providers are Node.js, Drupal, Joomla, WordPress, Spring, Play, Rack, and Gent. Third, related to database, PaaS provider provides various databases such as ClearDB, Postgres, MongoDB, Redis to communicate with the other application. And fourth is with the different tools. PaaS provides PaaS provider provides various other tools that are required to develop, test, and deploy the applications. PaaS offers browser-based development environment. It allows the developer to create database and edit the application code either via application programming interface or point and click tools. PaaS provides built-in security, scalability, and web service interface. PaaS provides built-in tool for defining workflow, approval process, and business rules. It is easy to integrate PaaS with other applications on the same platform. PaaS also provides web service interface that allows you to connect to the application outside the platform. In our previous videos, we have seen what is IaaS, what is PaaS, and what is SaaS. Let's understand the difference here. So with IAAS, which is infrastructure as code, PaaS platform as a service, and SaaS software as a service. So with infrastructure as a service, so these are the three distinct cloud service models. What these categories have in common is that they provide computing resources to users as service delivered via the internet. The difference between them is that they deliver different amounts or type of such components. In particular, IaaS infrastructure as a service deliver cloud computing infrastructure such as servers, networking, and storage, while PaaS offers infrastructure, software, and middleware as a single framework for building and deploying applications. SaaS provides access to the whole application. So why, if we use PaaS, what are the advantages? Why we should use PaaS? So first is simplified development. PaaS allows developers to focus on development and innovation without worrying about the infrastructure management. Second is lower risk. No need of upfront investment in hardware and software. Developers only need a PC and an internet connection to start building application. Third is pre-built business functionality. Some PaaS vendors also provide already defined business functionality so that the user can avoid building everything from very scratch and hence can directly start the project only. Fourth is instant community. PaaS vendors frequently provide online communities where the developer can get the ideas to share experience and seek advice from others. Next benefit is scalability. Application deployed can scale from 1 to 1000 of users without any change to the application. Next is lower administrative overhead. Customers need not bother about the administration because it is the responsibility of the cloud provider or the vendor. Low total cost of ownership. Customers need not purchase expensive hardware, servers, power, and data storage, etc. Scalable solution. It is very easy to scale the resources up or down automatically based on their demand. Next is more current system software. It is the responsibility of the cloud provider to maintain software version and patch installations. So what are the use case or use of PaaS? First is related to API development and management. We can use PaaS for application programming interface. API are often used in modern applications, enabling them to share data and functionality. PaaS offers built-in framework that makes API development faster and easier. IoT Internet of Things. PaaS is like a key technology for Internet of Things solution because it offers several advantages for use with such a network of physical objects. In particular, PaaS supports programming language Java, Python, etc. applied in IoT application development and provide capabilities related to storage and filtering of data generated by IoT device. Next is Agile development and DevOps. PaaS provides an environment that embraces the full DevOps release cycle, making it agile and automated. Next is in case of mobile development also PaaS can be used. PaaS is often applied to accelerate the building of mobile applications. User get a simple drag and drop interface for developing apps and access to sensor, GPS, accelerometer, camera and other features of the mobile device. Next is development of cross-platform app. In order for a business to remain competitive, it often requires a cross-platform solution that can be leveraged to create web, desktop and mobile applications available for any particular device. PaaS is the best option for this purpose because it provides a singular development environment that can be used instead of using different development frameworks for a specific platform. So which all vendors are providing PaaS? So everyone, almost all the major providers such as Google App Engine. It enables team to develop a scalable application in any programming language in cloud data center managed by Google. Next is Heroku, a polyglot platform on which you can develop consumer-facing application across most programming languages such as with Python, Java, Ruby, Node.js using Unix-style container computing instances. Next is Cloud Foundry, a popular open-source multi-cloud platform as a service that allows to write software in any language and deploy such software to production in your own data center on-premise via VMware or vSphere or OpenStack or off-premise atop a public cloud such as AWS, GCP, and Azure. Red Hat also provides. Red Hat OpenShift PaaS offers a wide range of language database and components to develop open source applications. Next is Azure DevOps. This Azure PaaS solution makes it possible to develop applications using .NET, Java, Python, PHP, Ruby, and efficiently deploy them using Azure DevOps. Next is AWS Elastic Beanstalk. This PaaS offering from Amazon is similar to Google App Engine and it enables developers to deploy and scale their applications on their AWS cloud. This AWS PaaS offering supports Java, .NET, Python, PHP, Ruby, Node.js, Go, and Docker, and is a good fit for web applications. Now we can see there are multiple formats of PaaS available in market. First is communication PaaS, next is mobile PaaS, third is open PaaS, and fourth is business analytic PaaS. So with communication PaaS, CPaaS represents a cloud-based platform that adds real-time communication features of voice, video, and messaging to the apps being built by developers without the need for backend infrastructure and interface. Mobile PaaS provides developers with a paid integrated development environment to configure mobile apps. With MPaaS, user utilize a drag and drop interface to access various features such as the device GPS, sensor, cameras, and microphones. Next is Open PaaS, which provides free open source software to run applications. It also represents a collaboration platform. Next is Business Analytics PaaS. It represents a platform that delivers services involving data storage, data processing, data integration, and business intelligence. The analytics platform as a service also supports big data. Next is the summary for PaaS. So platform as a service, which is also known as a PaaS, is one of the computing model where a platform hardware and software is provided by third-party vendor to customers over the internet. The platform is generally used to develop, run, and manage applications. A cloud service provider hosts and maintain all of the hardware and software included in the platform in its own data centers. The cloud and specifically PaaS have significantly changed how applications are developed, deployed, and managed. With PaaS, applications can be delivered fast and without worrying about the underlying infrastructure and software. However, PaaS is not fit for every application scenario. Before switching to PaaS, you should consider its limitations so that you can be well informed and take the proper decisions. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.